Hello everyone! Today, I'm going to play Grumpy Granny. Pero kukuha lang ako cookies. Hala! Gutom na ako dito ah.
Give me the cookies back!
Takbo! Run everyone! So, my name is Elite Tourist.
Where are my glasses?
Ano tayo pupunta? Upstairs.
Granny's coming to get you!
No way. This way?
How dare you!
To the exit. Run!
What?
What? Give me that goofy back. Oh my god. I almost get fall down. But subscribe me, please.
Ako guys ang naglalaro.
So this is Oti. This is
Ate ka, ano ka ba?
so she is named Ati Hana. But
Post mo ta?
no.
Norway.
Oh my god.
Let's go.
Let's go. So she is my
Basta sabihin mo na lang. Kinakapatid. Basta medyo is my friend.
this is my friend, but
May cousin.
may I don't understand.
May cousin nga.
My cousin. Yes, my cousin. Yes.
Cousin!
Cousin. Yes. I forgot.
Cousin.
Cousin.
May ganda dito na naman
Oh my
tayo.
god.
Give me the
Granny
cookies back!
will get
Saan yun?
Ala, pumunta ka muna sa
Hindi ako natatakot sa'yo, bes.
I'm jam scared.
Give me the cookies back!
Give me a cookies back.
Do you think I'm going to give you a cookie?
How dare you!
I'm not giving to you.
Yes.
It's running! What?
Okay, let's go.
At nandito na naman tayo sa nakakatakot na mga bata.
Ay, hindi pala.
Ay, wala pa pala.
He just pranked me all day. It's invisible. Why? Just never ever tell me again. Ay, Rina,
Papunta na tayo sa mga bata. Nakakatakot. Kailangan natin dito na tayo. Eh, wala pa. Mamaya pa pala.
So I'm uploading this.
I-upload na? No. No way.
So sorry, I don't need to upload this.
Dito na.
Oh my god.
Ay,
Ew.
dito na tayo.
We're here to the kids following us. Ayan naman. Oh my
Ako kasi ang
god.
daan dito. Kalimutan ko ang daan dito, bes.
Ay, kahit saan. Oh, hindi. Hoy, pabalik ka na. What is your looks like? What is your looks like? Oh, wear this costume. I'm not best.
Wait lang, be.
Oh, I'm on a ride. Easy.
Huwag tayo dito gusto ka dito tumaan.
This is not my jump scared. I didn't create this game. This is why we are in a Roblox.
Nahanap ko kagad. Galing.
Oh my god.
Dito na agad tayo.
Pumunta ka sa basement.
Saan? Sa?
Give me the cookies back!
Give me the cookies bag. Ayun pala si basement kid. I'm on a ride.
Sige, punta ka dito.
If you want to follow us, I will.
Oh, hey, you!
Come there.
What?
Okay, he's asleep. So I know this about. Next time I will make more.
Content. I will make some more content.
Contents, yes. Oh my god. Do you think this is very hard or not? Tell me in the comments, please. Joke, I'm not going to upload this, I said.
Ah?
Oh, we
Okay.
are
Ano ko to? Ano ko na to? God.
the respawner. Oh my god, look at the pictures. This place is very big because we are getting smaller. But I don't know who create this.
Respawn natin. Respawn.
Hindi, meron ka lang ng little shit. A jumper. Oh my god. Let me do it.
No.
No. Why?
No way.
Why? Why? Because you hate me?
No.
Oh. Or why? Why you cannot?
Sorry. I'm just joking.
You can looking at me? Well, that's okay. Everyone, this just looks like the Barry's prison. I think. Because Grumpy Grandma looks face as like
Grumpy Grammy.
Granny face like I don't know.
Berry.
Berry? Yes. Your face looks like berry.
Barry.
Body.
Oh my god.
We didn't know Monster was there. So guys, I meet Pili.
Nilaro to na ni Yogi Art.
What? Bro, we made it to the 100 times. I'll see us in the club. Oh, we fall
I'm
down.
panicking.
My turn to speed up. Wait. Right, this is very easy.
7 minutes na tayo naglalaro. 8 na. Do talon.
Oh, ugale.
Charot. I'm just joking. Oh my god, we have a time limit. Char. Wala. Ethan, come here.
What? But my name is Nathan here, but in YouTube is Electron Speaker man. But not Speaker. Oh my god!
We do it in 200.
200 times did I say? Oh, we have 5 battery left. Oh yeah! This is
My god, I'm not good in driving.
No. I was talking about I'm sorry. Come on, so we have 5 battery left, so we need to get faster now.
Ba't ka natalbog?
I hate this game. I quit.
Sige, maglobat na naman kasi.
Bye-bye.